channel Between Work and Life. This is Shalini and I hope you all are doing great and staying safe. So in today's video I am again going to do a DIY, but this time the DIY is not of a home decor item. It is going to be a play or house kind of thing for this sweet kitty. And so I got this Amazon pantry box. And I've got this blanket जो ये थोड़ा सा torn हो गया था.
I've already made hole on two
utilize
sides
it
of this
best.
carton.
So let's see how
I've taken this circular one. You can use any other design. For example, if you're making a dollhouse or something, you can make windows and gate. In fact, I think rectangular or square shape is easier to work on rather than the circle one. So yeah, whatever suits you. And for this you'll need a scissor and a hot glue gun. And I've already mentioned that I've got this blanket and a carton. So let's start here. I'll give some margin on both the sides to stick the extra cloth. I'm just ensuring that the size that I've taken is perfect. Otherwise, if I do a cut and then realize then that particular piece of cloth will be wasted. So yeah, it fits, and now I'll cut into pieces. For cutting as well, I am not being very finicky of the length and all. I have just taken this rough fold and I'll cut it across this fold. Now the blanket cutting is ready. I'll apply hot glue gun. I have applied all over the place because I had not switched on the fan. But you're working under fan, then I would say you should apply layer by layer. Otherwise the hot glue gets solid very fast. Similarly, I'll apply hot glue on other sides. And now I'm adding hot glue layer by layer, like line by line, so that it's not wasted. I'm trying to make this cutting even. Since this is the side having that circular hole, what I'm going to do is make a cut at the center, and I'll make 4 cuts opposite to each other, and the length of the cut would be so much that I'm able to fold the blanket inside. Once cutting is done, I am going to apply hot glue all over this side because this side is smaller, and I'll be quick to do this. Now I'm going to take the end of each fold and then apply hot glue like this. I'm trying to make it as tight as possible, and again I'll cut the extra piece. I stick the blanket on these sides. So if you do not have such blanket, you can take any colorful cloth. Or if you're making a dollhouse or something where you do not fear scratch, then you can also use colorful paper, gift papers. Now 3 sides of my cat house is done. I'll take another piece now and we'll start pasting on the other sides. It is fun to do these things for your cat, or if you want to make a dollhouse for your baby. It's very fun. It's very satisfying to make something by your own, because end results looks like you have done something for someone you love. Now this was the tricky part since we had leftover here. So what I'm going to do is double fold the blanket so that it doesn't look odd. Let me show you this in bit slow motion so that you're able to understand what I'm doing. So first of all, I'm cutting the extra piece because I've already covered this part. What I'm going to do is now make sure that this is stuck to the edges. Now I'm making sure that in order to fold this, it is exactly parallel. Once that is done, I'll take hot glue and first I'll stick on the edges like this and use the hot glue to fold inside like this. And now I'll stick the folded blanket onto the carton. So this is how it makes it look cleaner on the edges. Similarly, I'll repeat on the other side. I'll cut this edge one because this was, this will become 4-fold. I didn't want that. I'll repeat the same on the other side of edge. My kitten seems to be very curious of the thing that is in making. I am taking my kitten in the video, but I am ensuring that the hot glue is safe from the hot glue. Okay, now I have to remove him because I am doing on the cutting side. So on similarly, I'll cut in the center and I'll take the hot glue and tuck it tightly inside on all the cuttings, and we'll bind the edges now, and we are almost there. Now I'm not making any other design. If you like, you can make other design on this blanket using acrylic color or the cloth that you are using. And with this, our house is ready. So now I've got this blanket which I was not using, so I'm just wrapping around the extra blanket that I had left over, and I'll put this inside this curtain just to give a soft cozy feeling to my. And our house is ready. I am quite happy with the result, with the amount of effort that I put in. It is quite come out well. And now it's time for reveal. Let's see if my kitten likes it. He likes to explore everything. Okay. Oh wow. It seems to like it. So I'll let my kitten enjoy in here. Please let me know in the comment box if you find this useful or if you're going to try this for dollhouse or your pet house or anything. See you in the next video with one more such interesting topic. Stay safe till then. Bye bye.